Hi everyone, today I have here with me the new Snoorza pillow. So I'll go ahead and unbox it right now. So inside you will find immediately the pillow itself and also the 200 grams of cooling infused gel memory foam. Also, if you're not sure, the steps will be right here on the box, so don't worry. Okay, I'll go ahead and open up the pillow right now. So every pillow comes vacuum packed, so that's why it's in a shape like this. But when I open up later, you guys will see what will happen. So all you need to do is just use your hand here and then just tear it. Okay, and then just unroll it. Use a pen knife or scissors to cut out here. So give some time for your pillow to fluff up because it's been compressed, and then it will slowly get bigger and bigger. So let me just show you the function of this pillow right now. So over here, you see there is a zip, right? So this, we call it the outer cover, okay? And inside we have another inner cover which also has another zip. So right now, I'll just open it up. And what you see down here is the diced memory foam that I was talking about. So if you feel that it's too high for your liking, you can just take out some foam or put it back, up to you. Just zip it up whenever you get your desired height. Also, this cover is definitely removable, so if you want to wash it, you can also. After you're done, zip it up and you're good to go. Fluff it, oh yeah, fluff it. And you're good to go.